Winsome Decor USA presents 5 Best Rolling Kitchen Carts. Our top pick, Seville Classics Stainless Steel Professional Kitchen Cart. The Seville Classics Kitchen Cart is made of chrome-plated steel that makes it be strong and functional. It is easy to clean and has 1.5 inches stainless steel top. It has a maximum loading capacity of 300 pounds. Where the shelves can load up to 100 pounds and sliding basket loads up to 50 pounds. Assembling this kitchen cart is much simple and comes with a lockable canister, hence can be placed at any place you want. You can check these products' price and customer reviews from the description links below. Our second pick, Winsome Wood Kitchen Drop Leaf Cart. The Winsome Kitchen Cart has a smooth and long surface that makes it a great addition for your kitchen. You can also put it on your dining room and you can use it as a storage place for your small apparatus. It features an open shelf and a drawer that provides it extra storage. It is constructed with composite solid wood that provides it a natural finish. Our third pick is Songmix Vintage 3-Tier Kitchen Cart. Let your kitchen have a modern atmosphere with this Songmix kitchen cart because it makes the room look beautiful. The two shelves are made with metal grate, making them strong and firm and can hold kitchen accessories such as tableware and cookware. It is made with 4 rolling casters that make the cart to move at any place that you want, and also it will protect the floor from scratches. Seville Classics Heavy Duty Commercial Grade Utility Cart is our fourth pick. This multi-purpose utility cart is ideal to be used in your warehouse, kitchen, home or office. It features adjustable shelves that can fit any item that you need to be stored. It also features 4 inches durable wheels that will make the cart to be movable to any place you like. The cart can hold a maximum of 500 pounds, hence will fit well in your business or home. Best Choice Products Wood Rolling 3-Tier Kitchen Island Cart is our fifth pick. This is a great choice for your kitchen. If you need much space to place your homemade meals and food prep, get yourself this Best Choice Products Kitchen Island Cart. It is made with a lot of space for you and created with stainless steel countertop. It will help your cooking to be much cleaner, smarter and faster. The shelves are easy to clean, making it efficient and hygienic food preparation.